Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take care of controller drift without having to take your controller apart and take care of your button sticking. Now, first things that you're going to need is you're going to need Q-tips and Q-tips and toothpicks. You're also going to need rubbing alcohol. And so let's get started. It's how to take care of your controller drift is you're going to want to put some rubbing alcohol on the Q-tip and take it and put it on this part of the controller like so, and just do it all around to clean it, and then move it around like so, and then do that on the other one. And then move it around, and you've fixed the controller drift. Now if it hasn't fixed it yet, just repeat the process and it should fix it. And now we'll move on to fixing button sticking. So my buttons sometimes stick. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the Q-tip and you're going to stick it right here, and you're just going to go around the button. And just do this multiple times, just kind of clean it out. And then you're going to take a Q-tip once again, stick it in the rubbing alcohol. Whoops. And then you're going to take it and go around the buttons with it, like so. And this dries pretty quick, so it'll be fine. And then just click each of the buttons for a little bit. Make sure there's no sticking, and if there is some, just do it over again like I said. But yeah, that's all for today's video. Bye.